The best part of waking up is the smell of bacon.
Wait, I thought it was Folgers in your cup.
Cheers.
Maybe for him.
Cheers.
And my mom made everybody these little eggs in a basket with hash browns and stuff, and she made one special for me without hash browns and special bacon without any sugar on it, because she wants me to get back on my diet. Well,
I love her.
Yeah, it's not she wants me to. She's thinking thoughtful of me.
And everybody else has this amazing hash brown bowl.
And these are the eggs that we got from the chickens yesterday.
I want to
Oh.
Yeah.
I want to say that the egg yolk is so dark because they're free-range chickens and they have a lot of nutrients.
We can't find Emerson. I think he's upstairs. Let's go see what he's doing. Where are you? Right there?
Yeah.
Where's that? Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Who are you calling?
Mommy, you.
You're calling me?
Yeah.
I must have heard you because I came and found you.
Yeah. Hello.
Can I call someone? Hello. Hi, Emerson. Here, you call somebody.
Hello. You here?
Yeah, you here?
You here?
No, what are you going to do today?
Go outside. Feed chicken.
You're going to feed the chickens? What else?
Feed dogs.
You feed the dogs? And what else?
And doggies.
And who else are you going to feed?
Pigs.
Okay, can you sing me that old McDonald song?
No.
Please?
No.
We're out of the house. Breakfast was amazing. Emerson's about to do the yard work. Tell him, what are you driving?
Tractor.
Wow. He's got his own tractor at the farm.
Coop, where you gotta go to Frank and Gale's and turn left at the Mule Pond, and then go down past the Indian Rock House, and then turn left at the connector.
Ooh.
Mark is our guide today. He's got the treasure map. What are we going to?
We're definitely going to the river. I don't know.
There's a falls right here.
This
This is a...
So we're going past the Mule Pond, down past the ladder Indian House, to the connector, to the falls.
All right. Exciting adventure. How did you get in there? How's he gonna get out?
I don't know, there's not an opening.
Mark may have the treasure map, but this is our real guide. He knows exactly where to go.
Alright, I'm gonna fold up and put it in my pocket.
Okay.
Follow the puppy. Follow the puppy. The dogs are not only our guides, but our protection. There are wild coyotes and bears, and these dogs are trained to fight, as you can see.
Are they wrestling?
They're just having fun. We've got a straggler. Oh, here she comes.
Come on.
Come on, puppy. One more for the road. Hey there.
Got me strong. You were stout. We were debating whether to go left at the pile of rocks or left at the pile of rocks. There were two different trails, and the dogs were like running ahead, like, come on, you idiots, it's this way.
Always bringing up the rear. Gotta keep up.
Rosie?
Those shots are so cool, aren't they, guys? We're getting close, guys. We can hear the falls. All right, guys, I'm about to go down this ladder. Looks pretty janky. Hope it doesn't break. waterfall, guys. This is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning nature. Gotta love it. Whoa! Ah!
Oh my gosh, you scared me.
Here it is from the top, guys. Oh, look at that dog just getting in it.
We're all getting in it.
Getting in it.
Nothing's like seeing it with your own eyes.
It's for the vlog. It's for the vlog.
Get your shoe up here. Come on, baby.
All right, I'm on it. All right, come down.
Woo! Oh.
Oh my God.
I stepped on a skink.
He's a slippery one.
Look at Daddy's.
Swimmy!
Dad? Were you filming?
Yeah.
Trying to kill him with a tree.
That was scary. The tree just gave way and almost hit Lindsay.
What did Uncle Sean do? Uncle Sean broke a tree and it almost hit us in the head. But he did it. We're safe.
And the true fun begins, climbing back up the hill. The waterfall was great. Everybody loved it. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys like enjoying this video so far.
If you didn't,
Keep your peace.
You tired? Are you ready for lunch?
Now this is an amazing experience. We have found a Rocky Mountain Appalachian turtle. Sometimes you have to be really careful with these suckers because they'll snap and bite your thumb off.
Ooh, he's
And,
hissing
and
at
they'll
you.
hiss at you. But you can tell it's a female by this crack right here.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna have to put it down.
This is snapping turtle. You want to snappy him? Snappy him?
It's not a box turtle. It's just a box turtle. He blends with the whole earth, doesn't he? Yeah, he goes in here. He goes in the suntan. Let him do a suntan. See, nobody can see him.
See?
Bye, turtle.
Say bye.
Bye, turtle.
and I'm nursing a baby.
And she's nursing a baby.
We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no. What's next? Alright.
We made it out of the forest. Now we're on the pasture. Wide open. Where's the horse? Where's the cows, Emerson? Probably sleeping. All right, we're back home. Everybody's safe and sound, and it's time for lunch.
Emerson's sleeping again. I probably have crazy makeup on, but let's go see if we can wake him up. He's got sock arms. Emerson, what's on your hands? There's something on your hands. You think maybe you want to go for another hike? Yeah? Can I see your arms? What's on your hands? Was that how you slept, with socks on your hands? The dogs are coming in, huh, Emerson? It's okay.
All right.
Why you?
So everybody got a nap. Now we're joining Peg for a little adventure back through the woods. into a big cave. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
There's the dogs. They're normal sized dogs. This rock is just huge. You guys would not believe how hard it is getting these awesome cinematic shots for you, so I hope you appreciate it.
Look at you, big boy.
Yeah. This terrain is insane. I'm so glad that I got this Canon G7X, because if I were still using my big 70D with the microphone, the whole Casey Neistat setup, I don't know if I'd be able to get these shots. So we're back at the farmhouse. Becky's going in. She's gonna prepare dinner for us again this evening. I'm gonna get out my big camera with the 7200 and take some headshots of my sister-in-law, Lindsay. She's starting her website, so I'm gonna take some headshots of her in this beautiful farmland. And the sun is just gorgeous. The light is coming through the clouds just perfectly, so let's do that.
On this farm is the perfect location for some photos. We're in the twilight hour where the sun is just barely setting. Hey! We're trying to look professional and
Casual.
personal.
I'm the one getting my photo taken, can you tell?
Look at that stain. Oh. We're finding a path.
Because my website has all paths on it. Because there's different paths that you can choose in your family's for your family's future.
For your legal needs, different paths for your legal needs. Lindsay says, all I really need is something that's just not JCPenney.
Because that's what I have.
So, I think we got some good headshots. We just can't get her legs in it. Her feet are just too casual. We're gonna try one more shoot. Lindsay's gonna get her heels, and we're gonna see if we can make this not look like a farm. This is turning out pretty good. Sean will have to throw in a few pictures so you can see how good of a photographer he is. You want to eat the rocks?
Again.
I caught you. Caught you eating rocks. Well, we just finished dinner and the kids are playing around. Hazel's getting into the fire and Emerson is crawling all over his daddy.
With a big old belly. And he just wants to be tickled. Can't get you. No! No! No!
The sun is setting on the farm and Mom went to go down to Peg's house to get an air popper for popcorn. Check out the sunset. It's beautiful, right? All right, snack time, then bedtime, then pack time, then go time. Now Grandma needs to get her baby snuggles in.
It's my baby girl. Can you kiss it? Kiss it, kiss it. Kiss it. I guess she didn't like that. You got that on video.
Did she puke in your mouth? No, thank God, but it's all over. Gross. Welcome to my world. Lindsay has a funny story about Emerson.
I mean, does that...
So today, yes, I like underneath there. Sorry, we're still editing my photo shoot. So today I was singing with Emerson, which we do before nap or before bedtime, and I was singing and he looked at me and he said, "Mommy, is my breath stinky like yours?" And he said, "Smell it." And he was making me smell his breath, but he was pretty much telling me that my breath smelled disgusting.
Kids say the darndest things. Say, is Aunt Lindsay's breath stinky?
Is your breath stinky like mine? Let me smell. No, it's not stinky. Mine's stinky. That was a yes.
All right, everybody, we're in for the night. Today was long, adventurous, fun, tiring. I'm gonna start editing the vlog because tomorrow we're leaving. We're going home. Calling it a night. We'll see you guys tomorrow.